Iu Mien买cái này.
I'm going to buy something. Iu Mien.
Iu Mien买cái này.
Iu Mien买cái này. Iu Mien买cái này. That is going to buy something, right? I place it in a different.
Tai nhận hàng.
What's that?
Come and eat.
Come and eat.
Tai nhận hàng.
Tai nhận hàng.
Nhận.
Nhận.
Nhận hàng.
Gì?
Tai nhận hàng. Hàng. X.
X.
Tai nhận hàng.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's hàng? Eat.
Rice.
Alright.
Nhận is eat.
Oh,
Nhận
Thai.
is eat.
Thai.
Nyan is it.
What's Thai?
Tai come.
Oh.
Tai nhận hàng.
Thai.
Thai nhận hàng.
Hot warm.
What's
What's
that?
that?
Drink water. Hot warm.
Drinking.
Hot warm. Warm is water. Hot is drink. Hot warm.
Hot warm.
Hot
What's
warm.
that? And then answer if what are you going to do? Drink water like that, or can I drink water?
Okay. Can I drink water na?
Yeah.
Yeah, hot warm tu nhai phải.
Can I drink water?
Okay.
What's that?
Right. Yeah, hot warm.
Yeah, hot
Hot warm
warm
tu nhai phải.
tu nhẹ
Phải.
phải. Yeah, hot warm tu nhẹ phải. How about I'm drinking?
Yeah, hot warm. Yeah, hot warm.
Yeah, hot warm.
Nè nè.
Poem. It sounds like poa.
Warm. Warm
Warm.
is different.
Again.
Poem.
Warm.
Yeah, hot
Warm.
warm. Ah,
Warm.
it just sounds P because of the hop warm like that.
Yeah, hot warm.
So you continue the P to warm like that.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
sounds
hop
like
warm.
it's continuous.
Okay.
Yeah, hop warm.
Next.
How about drink lots of water?
Hot warm chăm nhai.
What's that?
Hot warm chăm nhai.
Chan.
Chăm.
Cham.
Nhai.
Nghe. Nghe.
Nhai.
See.
N-Y-E-I. Hot warm chăm nhai. Chăm is we.
What the intonation? CXV.
See.
C-A-M-V.
What's
C-A-M-V.
that? What's it in English?
Hop, huh?
In English,
Drink lots of water.
drink lots of water.
And drink lots of water.
I drink.
lots-
No, iya. No, iya. Drink.
What's the last letter of warm? Warm. Warm X or Z?
O-U-M. Warm.
V. Okay. Hop, warm, cham, yeah.
Ay, in verse. U-O. U-O.
How about drink lots of water? It's good for you. It's good for your body, like that. For your body. It's good for your body.
Hop warm chăm nhai, right? Continue na. Cháu Pun Mei Xin Long. Cháu Pun Mei Xin Long.
Châu
Pun
Chu Pun Mei Xin
Long.
Xin Pun Châu
Long.
Pun Mei Xin Long. Mei
Okay. Iu Mien Boy Jom.
Who's that?
I'm going to sleep.
Okay. Now what I'm sleepy.
Iu Mien Boy Jom.
Boy?
Boy
Hoi.
Mien
Ming.
Mien
Boy.
Jom.
Chao.
Jom.
Chong.
Jom. Okay, look at me.
Jom.
Chong.
Jom.
Ah,
Em
Chong.
nữa. Boy Jom.
Chong. Chong.
Your mouth.
Yummy. Boy Chong.
Spelling Jom.
Chong.
J.
N
I.
J
N. J.
O
O. M.
O R
R. M.
O
M.
R. I'm sorry.
Jom.
I'm sorry. R M.
Yeah, we later discovered that the R in your name is
Jom.
not
Jom.
what's that? Is silent.
It's a time.
I'm sleepy.
Yeah, I'm Jom. Yeah, I'm Jom. I
Yeah.
Jom. I is I'm feeling sleepy. Yeah, I'm Jom.
Let's sleep.
Yeah, Jom. Jom.
Jom.
Jom.
Jom.
Get it.
Let's
Yeah, I am.
Let's sleep.
Jom.
Let's sleep.
Yeah, 15 minutes away. Can we?
What's let's?
Okay, we pause and then we come back to the blue call.
No,
We
no,
go
no.
back to the
Let's sleep first. Translate.
They misunderstood, huh?
No, no, no. Not the
Okay.
word. Let's sleep.
It's funny, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
X.
Yeah, me boy. Normally, yeah, huh? Let's go.
I thought it's real.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay. Okay, we stop this and we continue later. Okay.